So why do these people want my data or devices? So you probably understand why hackers might want to breach larger organizations and gain access to their data, but why would they want small businesses' computers, personal accounts, or personal computers? Well, if you take a look at this list, these are all different things that they can utilize your computer for. One thing that a lot of people are gaining awareness into nowadays is reputation hacking, which is when a malicious individual will steal Facebook and Twitter accounts, then sell them to use them to fan or follow other companies, who will pay them all for followers and fans they receive. Why? Companies don't want to have 20 Twitter followers because it looks bad from a reputation standpoint. So they'll go out and they'll hire companies to increase their amount of Twitter or Facebook fans or followers and then make it look much better, even though these accounts are lots of times utilized via these malicious means of stealing them. What's really you have to understand, though, is that cybercrime is now a well-established global business. It has standards, it has specializations, and it's very trivial for people to actually get started in this business. For instance, do you need crime servers? If you do, they can be purchased. No technical backgrounds needed at all. They will set them up. You just point users to them. If you want something like maybe a crime server to look and function like a Facebook or Gmail's login page, we'll set all that up for you. And for instance, to rent this server, all you need is $150 a week and no technical experience at all. Exploits and vulnerabilities are constantly in the news, and you have the ability to go online and purchase them and then utilize them on your victims. You do not need the ability to program or any other IT skills in order to buy an exploit off of the web. And as you can see, they have things like Flash, Java, Windows, and so forth, and many other exploits in this example. But what do they do with the data once you get it? Of course, you sell it. There are many websites out there where you can easily sell this information. McDumples is one of those websites. And in fact, they're not just looking for credit card data. They're looking for anything that they can find, whether it's game accounts, email accounts, eBay accounts. Someone will want to buy what these hackers gain access to. The really interesting piece is that major credit card companies know that these websites exist, and they go to these websites, and they will first attempt to buy back all of their credit cards that were stolen. And the reason why is that they usually cost a fraction of the cost of what it would be if they were to reissue the credit cards to all the breach victims. Because if they were to do that, they have to reprint the credit card, then typically overnight it. So what they do is they first try to buy them from the hackers and hope that the hackers don't continue to utilize the credit cards they stole. And because this is becoming a big business, if they were to lie about it and continue to use these credit cards, they wouldn't have a very good prospect if they were to steal credit cards at the point in the future, because they're not trustworthy. So they make sure that this is a real business from a hacker standpoint. So the credit card companies have had great success in doing this in the past. Now what we're seeing is that even non-digital criminals are going digital. Gift card websites out there, such as Raise, I'm sure someone in here has used them. You get big-eyed when you go to these websites and you see that you can purchase a gift card for 20 or 30% off. These high discounts typically all have something in common, that they are for stores that have a no questions asked return policy. Because if you return something without a receipt, you get a gift card. And typically you were left with this gift card and you had to use it for something else at their store. But now criminals can go to stores, steal items from one location, return it to another location, get the gift card, then take that gift card and sell it on the internet for cash. And now they've just converted stolen goods and stolen merchandise directly into cash in a very, very easy way.